good, YouTube? It's your girl Brinks. Now, I know you guys may have all seen a certain video going around of a DIY aquarium type Christmas decoration. If you guys have not, here it is.
See that?
Oh my gosh, this looks great. See it? Oh!
See that?
Wow.
I really want you to see Santa floating in the air. That's what makes this so cool. But see those bubbles?
Yeah.
That's just little air pockets, and you just got to move these things around. Okay, let's get Santa in there. Again, what's so cool about this stuff is it all floats. We've got our Santa, and we're gonna get him in.
Oh, wow.
See
Merry
this?
Christmas.
Floats.
Ready? Let's see it.
And look at this. You've got an aquarium with a beautiful vintage Christmas vibe. And we've got some blue lighting behind it.
So, I probably did that way too long. If not, I'll just cut some out anyway. But we are going to do a DIY version of this same little... We're going to use this as an inspiration video. So, I don't know if you guys remember, but around TK's birthday this year, I bought this small aquarium to fake some fake turtles since he wanted a real turtle. And when I was shopping for the real turtle, found out it was quite costly and bit of extra maintenance that I really wasn't into doing. So we have an aquarium that I completely just emptied like when I started doing the living room for Christmas decor, and now I want to transform it into a Christmas type decoration with some water beads. I hope I have some water beads. I think I do, you guys. They're probably still in the third room. But this was the aquarium. So it's definitely going to be a very, very small version. Like, I could definitely go out and buy a bigger aquarium to just do that type of design that they just did. But, like, why not use what we already have and make it more costly efficient? So, if you guys ever shop at Dollar Tree, I got that from Walmart, by the way, you guys. It was like 11 to 16-ish dollars. It was 15 or something, or 11. If you guys have ever shopped at Dollar Tree, then you know that Dollar Tree has little miniatures. So, considering that that's so small, I picked up a reindeer. I do have more, but yeah, I'm pretty sure only one is going to fit in there. This little house. The Merry Christmas I had to actually take off of a tree decoration that I bought. I might hang it somewhere, but I don't know yet. We have this little white tree. If I can add more in there, I will, but I don't think I'm going to be able to add more in there. And then this, we have a Santa, a snowman, and a Santa mailbox. And then I have a fire station. Now, I'm aware, you guys, that all of this is not going to fit at the bottom. Some of it is going to be floating, though. So it's going to look three-dimensional.
Bruh.
Three-dimensionalist, which, of course, it is. And I'm going to get this all on camera and show you guys just exactly what I'm doing. The fish tank does have like a LED light type thing that I can change the colors on it, so we can just use that. But let me go ahead and gather the rest of the things that we need for this, you guys, and I will be right back. All right, guys, so with the size and everything of my little fish tank, this is kind of the design that I came up with. It's very tight, very crowded, but I just want to show you guys what it's looking like. And yes, I am going to clean this. I am going to clean it, you guys. But that's exactly what it's looking like. So I figured I could have the reindeer, the Merry Christmas, and the Santa Claus up in the sky, kind of floating. But yeah, this is what I am envisioning it to look like, you guys. And as you can see, there is very little available space. So keep this in mind. I'm going to go ahead and put my water beads in here. And unfortunately, you guys, water beads are not sold at Dollar Tree. Some of you guys may have it at your local Dollar Tree, but mine did not. Luckily, I had these leftover water beads from 2 years ago when I was doing a lot of custom centerpieces. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to go ahead and fill this up, you guys, slowly, because with water beads and expanding, you never know how much it's going to fill something up. And with this being as small as it is, I could easily overflow it if I put too many water beads in there. So I'm just going to take everything out. And I'm going to go clean it real quick, and then we're going to put the water beads in it. So I'll be right back, y'all. All right, guys. So I just sprayed some Windex on it. We're just going to go ahead and clean the heck out of this so it is nice and see-through. I still have no idea where I'm gonna put this. I have no idea, you guys, where I'm gonna put this whatsoever. Alright, so that is nice and clear, as you guys can see. Go ahead and open up my water beads. Slide a knife just down the tape end. Open it up. Alright, and this is about 3,000 beads, you guys. But I just want to slowly start filling it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour this first batch in here. Okay. All right, and I am going to take, got a bottle of water right here. This nice bottle of water. And we're just going to fill this up. Now, this is going to take like a span of 2 days, you guys. Just so you know. To kind of get those to expand. So, look, they're already starting. All right, y'all. So I'm just going to kind of leave it like that. And I didn't even realize that this it has a freaking light in it, y'all. Like, I don't even want to submerge it now. Like, I'm so sorry, because now it's going to get rusted and not work no more if it get wet. But whatever. But all right, you guys, we're going to just leave this be, and then I will check on it in a few hours to see how it's doing, and we can go from there. So you guys, this is exactly what I meant, because now look at this. They're already expanded, and I've already put one of these cups in there already, and they're still getting bigger. They're still getting bigger. Now I'll be able to add some more here soon, but like, y'all, this is literally just been in here for like an hour. Like, literally, this is after an hour of being in here, and they've gotten that big already. So we may have to add some more. I'm pretty sure we're going to have to add some more, because even though these are expanding, I think it's only going to get to about right here, and then we're going to have to add more after that. So be back. All right, guys, so I went ahead and I finished up my little aqua scenery thing. I did that off camera. I was going to film it on camera, but my mom called the video chat. So like, literally while I was finishing it up. So it's done already. But if you guys do want to see like from a start to finish, I can see if I will buy another one and we can just do that with some different scenery in it. Probably a bigger one. Just let me know. But this is how it turned out, you guys. So I am going to put this in the third room on like the desk area because it needs to be plugged in so that the lights show. It actually has, I think, red and green lights. It might have more, but I don't quite remember because it's been a while since I actually used it. But for the most part, you guys, like, that is what I came up with. So let me know what you guys think about this little project. Mostly Dollar Tree items, except for the water beads, of course, and the fish tank. But I mean, you guys can easily find a fish tank that's really, really cheap and affordable. And water beads, honestly, are not that much. You can either go to like Hobby Lobby or any craft store should have them. And you can also purchase them in bulk off of Amazon, like I did. But just let me know what you guys think about this little DIY. Like I said, I'm going to put it in the third room. That is pretty much my next big challenge, you guys. It's going to be a task because you guys know I've basically been using the third room for storage. So it is a mess in there and I'm not looking forward to doing it. But that is going to be my plan pretty much most of next weekend. I do have a Christmas party to get ready for. So you guys are literally going to see that. You guys are going to see this video like the actual week of the Christmas party. So it's the 17th. And I think right now I'm on Vlogmas number 14. So you guys will literally see me starting to get ready for this Christmas party the next couple of days. You guys will see my quick weave. You guys will see my 2 outfit choices. I'm going to do like a whole get ready with me with getting my nails done and hair and of course getting dressed. So just stay tuned for that, you guys. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think. Until next time, bye guys.